friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So you know our pillow paint, pouring medium and cell activator from the pictures at the beginning. I'm just here to show you firstly some dried results. So here you go my friends, as you can see I'm very happy with this. She came out very pretty. Let me just get the gold shimmer in there. I really cannot wait to get a coat of resin on this. I think that's really going to make it look fantastic. But what gives it the depth and what gives it the kind of nice dimensions that it has is that I'm using a metallic or a nice reflective as my base or first color right there. And then I add the transparent and opaque paints after that. Now, some people say you shouldn't use opaque paints in a bloom, or seriously, or certainly towards the end of a bloom, you shouldn't use opaque paints because they can cover out the colors that you've put in before. I mean, I agree with this, yes, but as long as you use them sparingly as the last color, it really gives the cell activator something to sit on and can create some really lovely effects like you saw with the blue, just kind of ringing the cells there beautifully. So the way I did this was I used our new favorite at the moment, the Rustoleum metallic accents. This one is the gold mine. There you go. I get it from Home Depot, but apparently you can get it from Lowe's in the States and Rona, also from Amazon, I believe. But let's try to support local first before we go to the big guys. Hey friends. So that's going to go down first, the metallic accents, the gold mine. Next, we're going to put down the transparent. Now, this is a new favorite of mine as well. This is the Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex, and it is transparent because Liquitex is lovely and tells us with a little empty square right there. So we're putting down the gold first, the metallic, that's definitely opaque, but then we're going to put the transparent on top of that. And recently it was my birthday, and my lovely in-laws, bless you mama, thank you very much, gave me a gift card from my local art store. And so I went round like a kid in a candy store, buying all the things, or not all the things, but buying the things that I usually wouldn't spend that much money on. So I tried out a couple of new brands of paint, and I splurged on some golden. And this one is Ultramarine Violet, as you can see. It's a beautiful, beautiful violet purple color. And golden are really lovely because it is transparent. They have a little empty square right there. So that's the two transparents, the Liquitex and then the golden going on top. And then the last one we're putting down is the light Phthalo blue. I think I've pronounced that correctly. And again, it's a golden. I splurged for my birthday. And this one, as we can see, lovely, is an opaque solid little square right there. So they're the colors, my friends. I know, again, only 4, right? But when you layer the opaque and then transparent, and then thin drizzle of opaque again, we get that really nice dimension to the pores and to the blooms that I got, very fortunately, in this one. Okay, that's enough of me chatting, my friends. You know what's coming. I'm gonna zip it, get the camera pointing down, and we're gonna get on with painting, okay?
Okay friends, so we're here for the voiceover part of the video, and the first thing you'll notice is we're not using a lot of pillow, just the minimum amount really, because I hope the pillow is going to spread out nicely when I add all the colours. So the first one we've got here friends, this is the Gold Mine by Rustoleum, the metallic accents, and as I just explained, it's going to make a fantastic background for our transparent and opaque paints to give us some beautiful cells and hopefully some peacock cells or rainbow cells, unicorn cells, whatever you actually want to call them. So this next colour, my friends, this is the Liquitex, the Dioxazine Purple. Beautiful, beautiful dark, deep purple colour. And that one is the transparent. So we've got opaque, transparent. Now this one, my friends, it's the Ultramarine Violet by Golden. This one is also transparent. And now we're going to go in with the Phthalo blue, light blue, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Phthalo, light blue by Golden. And as you can see, we're doing a nice thin drizzle. Not too much of it because that's an opaque. I thought, just for the hell of it, why not add just a little bit, another little drizzle of the opaque gold mine on top of the phthalo blue, just in case we can get some beautiful gold to ring some of our peacock cells. As you can see, friends, not a lot, so it's just a nice light drizzling of the last two opaques. Now we're going to be using our Shelly Art recipe cell activator of Rustoleum and Amsterdam paint, and the colour of this one is one of my favourites. It's the Prussian blue. So there we go, we can see a nice little halo starting to form, and excuse the back of my head while I blow it out. So you can see, friends, after I've added these colours, the pillow has expanded to around about maybe ½ an inch away from the edge of the canvas. So hopefully when we spin it out, it's going to expand really nicely, cover the edges, go over the edges of the little canvas, and dry beautifully. Just going in there, as you can see, with a straw, trying to blow and break up the cell activator, get it to sink a little. But as we can see, it's made some beautiful cells, and we're going to go in for some modification of the edges, just in case they stay on. And as always, friends, it's just a nice rhythmical movement of the hand, cursive handwriting or calligraphy, just to make a pleasing pattern around the edge. You can already see those beautiful phthalo blue cells just popping up and appearing in the middle to left. And in we go for the first spin. So we're leaving the video at real time, guys, so you can see how fast I am actually spinning. And you can see it's not very fast at all. Just enough to get the surface tension of the paint to flow to the edge of the canvas and then nicely down over the edge. Wow. Here we go for a close-up. Just check out those phthalo blue cells. Quite staggering. We still have a little bit of the cell activator pooling up in the middle with actual sink, and we'll get some nice beautiful cells there. Wow, look at the gold mine just shimmering underneath the transparents and opaques. Just checking for movement, give her one more nice gentle slow spin, and I think we might be done, my friends. Wow. I'd just like to give a big shout out to my group on Facebook, Acrylic Pouring for Beginners. I'd love to give a shout out to G, Christy, Darren, Bridget, Britt, Dawn, and apologies if I've forgotten anyone else. So thank you for joining me, my friends. Please like and subscribe, and always happy pouring.